Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download official Windows 11 ISO file from the official Microsoft website. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So first of all, just open your favorite browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. And the first link which will appear here will be from Microsoft.com. So you just need to click on this link. I will put this link in the description of this video also, so you can directly come to this link. Now in here, you might need to log in with your Microsoft account. I have already logged in with my Microsoft account and I will see this kind of window. Here you have few options. We want to download the ISO file, so we will go to this section which says download Windows 11 disk image. Here you just need to select the Windows 11 option and then you can click on download. Now when you click on the download option, you will see one more option to select the product language. I will choose English here, but you can choose any other language. So let me choose English International and then I will just click on confirm. And when I click on confirm, it's going to show me this 64-bit download button here. So you just need to click on this 64-bit download button, which is going to start the download of Windows 11 ISO file. So you can see it's around 5.1 GB file. So we need to wait for some time in order to download this file. So I will wait for some time until this file is downloaded. So now as you can see, this Windows 11 ISO file is downloaded on my PC, and now I can use this ISO file to create a bootable Windows 11 USB, or I can use it to just install Windows 11 virtually on different platforms, right? So that's how you can download Windows 11 ISO file. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.